Hey y'all, hot new farm listing hit the market not too long ago. Brought to you by Tiffany Nichols here with United Country Virginia Realty. Gorgeous 190 plus acre farm with 250 feet of road frontage there on US Highway 47 outside of Chase City, Virginia. You want to talk about a phenomenal farm. I was out there the other day, had the drone in the air, doing a little bit of drone work for her, and I was just stunned by just how this farm laid out. It's got fencing already in place, so it's ready to go for your livestock. But it's also got an old farmhouse there and an old barn that certainly adds to the farm-like appeal to the property. Pond already there, great timber value in the back, multiple different fields already set up there. I'm telling you, it's just a beautiful property. I know you're tired of hearing me talk about it, so y'all check it out. Well, folks, that's 190 acres off Highway 47 in between Chase City and South Hill, Virginia, brought to you by Tiffany Nichols here at United Country Virginia Realty. Listen, if this farm interests you, don't hesitate to give me a call. I'd love to show it to you. I'd love to send you some details. 804-210-6533 would get you in touch with me. As always, you can call us here at the office at 434-374-2011 or check out any listings on the web at ucvirginiarealty.com. And listen, if you took a like into the video, certainly don't hesitate to hit the like and subscribe button down below. But I want to take this time to let you know that when you look at videos like this, that's what we do for our listings here at United Country Virginia Realty. We want to be able to put people's farms and land and recreational properties and country properties out there in front of folks that in such a way that represents exactly what the land is all about. So if you're wondering what your property would sell for in today's market, give us a call. I'd love to talk to you about it. 804-210-6533. I'd love to get out there and walk your ground and kind of give you my insights on what we think we can sell it for, and we'll go from there. But that's a wrap, y'all. Listen, y'all be good, and we'll see you in the next one.